Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can connect your money.com with your Facebook. So all you have to do is to go to this integrate section into money.com and here search for Facebook and you get this integration template that says Facebook ads. Click on it, choose any automation that you like to perform, like every time period sync each ad set from account to an item, or when an lead form is submitted create an item, or every time period sync each campaign from account to an item. So choose any template that you would like to perform onto your board and press add to board button, and here you get the option to connect your Facebook to your money.com. Press connect button and it will open up a new page where it will ask you to connect your Facebook account with money.com. Alright guys, in this page, as you can see, it is asking me to continue as from my account into money.com. So you can log into another account or you can use existing account and just press continue as and your username after that. So this way you can connect your Facebook to money.com's integration successfully. That's all you have to do. Just press this continue button and you're all set. So this is how you connect Facebook to money.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.